Alright, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So once again, I want to give a big shout out to all you guys. Thank you guys so much for, sharing my content, subscribing to my channel, commenting, engaging with me. It's truly an honor to be able to make content for you all. I started out doing this as a hobby, and now it's something that I really look forward to do. I like to push content out to you guys. So if you're stopping into the channel for the first time, we do post a video every Wednesday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. So you can expect at least one video a week, and then if you guys get a video somewhere in between that, that's just a little extra goodie video. So I hope you guys like the new wheels I got on my car. If you haven't seen that video already, make sure you go and check out that video. We have a lot of things coming for this car. So and just one of the things to help fit the piece to the puzzle is getting these wheels, and then we're gonna get lower, and then don't want to say too much. I don't want to give away too much other stuff, but yeah. So if you're stopping into the channel for the first time and you're an enthusiast like I am, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and then let's get right into today's install video. All right, so like I mentioned in the previous clip, today's video is going to be a install video. I got some goodies from TireStickers.com. So of course, I had to get some custom tire lettering done for my car. So as you can see, we have the Goodyear here, and we have the Eagle here. And for some reason, I accidentally put in the F1s if I had the actual summer tires, but I have the sport tires, so I'm not going to use these red F1s because it just wouldn't look right. But I would have really liked the white, the white with the red also going around the wheel. So with the kit, I did, these are 1 inch, these are 1 inch letters, and yeah, so with the package, you get your tire glue, you get 2 gloves, and then you get stuff to make the letters shine, white again. And then you get your instruction sheet. So what I've already done is I test fitted one right now. As you can see, I've already prepped all 4 of the tires. They're all clean and clear of grease. But before I actually shot the video, I wanted to just test one out. This one's been on here for maybe like 5 minutes. So as you can see right now, I do think that looks pretty good. I have the Goodyear right here, but I'm actually gonna move the car so I can get the Goodyear to be at the top of the wheel and not have to do it down there on the ground. So yeah, I ordered 4 sets. I ordered 4 Goodyears with the white boot, and I ordered 4 Eagles with the white. So as you can see here, let me move this over just a little bit. So as you can see here, we have the Goodyear with the white boot. Now keep in mind, you can get this any color you want. I decided to go all white. I was gonna get this red, but now that I've gotten these in, I wish I would have got these in red. And then we have the white Eagle logo. So since I got the tire prepped and everything, now what you're gonna wanna do is, all right, so as you can see right here, here's the Goodyear, with the boot. So that's where we are going to be placing these letters at. We're gonna take these letters and we're gonna put them up here where the Goodyear's at. Now keep in mind, just remember I have all the tires are prepped and cleaned and got all the grease and grime off of them. All right, so the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna take the tire glue that they have provided you, okay? And then you wanna go and put it on each one of these letters. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to each one of these letters off camera, and then as I'm applying the sticker onto the wheel itself, then I'll start recording again, because it's going to be hard to kind of capture all of this and me trying to put the glue on, and I don't think any of y'all want to watch that. All right, so as you just seen in the last clip, we do have all the glue applied. One of the things that I do want to mention to you all, if you guys are wondering how to clean the tire, the instructions say to clean the tire with acetone all the way around and to get it all cleaned up. And I didn't use acetone. I have some actually really strong tire cleaner, or rubber cleaner, I guess you could say. So I didn't use that. But as you can see, there's the wheels are pretty grease-free. Doesn't have much debris or anything on it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to where we see Goodyear, and then we're going to go ahead and stick this this letter on. And then what you want to do is you're going to want to apply pressure for 30 to 40 seconds. Keep good, constant pressure on all the letters. Go over all of them. This is some super duper heavy duty glue, so, and you will get some of the glue that'll come outside of the letters. That's fine. You will get some oozing. That's no big deal. Just make sure you go over each letter, press down on it pretty hard, and do this for the next, like I said, 30 to 40 seconds. And then we'll peel off this plastic piece. All right, so it's now been about a minute later, and all the letters are good and stuck. I've applied constant pressure to all the letters. And so the next thing you're gonna wanna do is you just wanna take this and you wanna peel it back. Just like you're peeling a sticker off of your car. Okay, so the E didn't take very well, so just go ahead and push it back. And we'll come back and put some more glue on the E. Okay, remove any of the other plastic pieces that are on there. Okay, so we're gonna go back and put some more glue on the E. So that's what the Goodyear portion of it looks like. Now keep in mind, we still have to put the Eagle logo on. So the Eagle is gonna go right here. But I think that looks pretty good right now. I'm super excited to go down the road and actually see what this looks like. So once I get done getting all 4 of the tires done, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the camera up and just do some kind of, you know, rolling drive-by shots of the camera. I'll set the tripod up in my driveway and I'll just drive past you all so you guys can kind of get a visual of what the letters look like as they're going around. I imagine, you know, going around at higher speeds, it's gonna be like one white line going around, so that's super cool. But yeah, like I said, I ordered these off of TireStickers.com. I think they were 150 bucks. So yeah, let's wrap everything up. Let's get the rest of the tires done, and then I'm excited to shoot to the rolling shots and kind of see what the tire looks like as it's spinning, you know, going down the road. All right, so I kind of moved the Eagle to the top. So we're gonna place the Eagle right there. That's what that one's gonna kind of look like. So let's go ahead and put some glue on it, and then let's get this, get the Eagle stuck down onto the tire. Go ahead and put some glue on it. Now the way that you want to apply the glue is you just want to trace the outline of the letter, of course. Nothing more, nothing less. Try not to get it really globbed up in some places. Don't put too much glue on there. Okay. And then just another tip, what you can do is you can take the tip of the glue you have itself and kind of just spread it all over the letters. I forgot to mention that when we put the first Goodyear on, but yeah, just take it and spread the glue all around the letter itself. You want to make sure you have as much contact, or you know, much glue on as much of the letter as you possibly can. All right, so now we do have all the glue on the Eagle itself. So now let's go ahead and throw it up on the car. All right, so here you have it. I just peeled off the plastic for the Eagle. So that's what the Eagle now looks like on there. Take a look down here. This is the Goodyear with the white boot. I think it looks freaking awesome. You know, it's unique. Not a lot of people have tire stickers. I know some people do, some people don't, but it's something that I've always wanted to do for a while. So I said, why not do it? So, I mean, it was 150 bucks. You know, if I like it, I like it. If I don't, I don't. But yeah, here they are. I think that looks super duper cool. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish up all 4 of the tires. And then, like I said, I'm gonna put you guys up on a tripod and kind of drive by the camera just so you guys can get a look of what it looks like. So all in all, like I said, maybe 5 or 10 minutes to install the letters. And just keep in mind, you don't have to get white. You can get, I mean, any color. Go on their website and just, you know, plug in, you know, what kind of tire you have, and they'll show you all the different color combinations. I mean, it's pretty much endless on what color combination you can get. I went with white because I wanted to get that white on black look. Yeah, and like I said, any color you want. Like my letters are 1 inch. I know that can be very confusing. And if you're confused on which size you want to get for your car, email them. I emailed them myself and was like, hey, you know, what size do you think I should get? They're like, most people go with 1 inch, so that's why I went with 1 inch. And they're a company out of California. I think it took maybe a week or a week and a half from the time I placed the order, but I'm glad I have them now. And yeah, so let me catch back up with you guys once I finish all 4 of the wheels. Alright guys, so I finally just finished all 4 tires. Now it took 30 minutes altogether. I wanted to make sure I went through thoroughly and make sure each letter had, you know, enough glue on there and everything was sticking. So the one thing that I had the most trouble with, okay, so you know how the letters are on here. So whenever I would peel the letters off, the actual plastic piece would stay on the letter itself, and I would have to go back and peel that plastic piece off, you know, very carefully. That's the only thing that I didn't understand, but I got all 4 wheels done. Here's a look at what they look like. The back all nice. Man, I think that looks freaking awesome. Looks super good, nice and clean. Take a look at that one. Yep. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is right here in my driveway, I'm gonna set you guys up on the tripod and just kind of drive by at different speeds, just to kind of give you guys, you know, a visual of how the tires look as they're rolling going down the road. And then, you know, of course, at higher speeds, it's gonna look like one continuous white circle. I think that's really cool. So I'm super excited to you know, have, you know, myself and a buddy go on the highway and him take some roller shots or some footage of what the tires look like rolling down the road. So I'm gonna get you guys set up on the tripod, and I'm gonna do a couple drive-bys. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys like the way the tire letters look. I'm super happy with the way they turned out. The only thing I wish I would have the only other thing that I wish I would have done is, what if I would have got the Sport, so it would have been Eagle Sport, and maybe I've got the Sport in red instead of the F1. I don't know why I was thinking that this car came with F1s and not the Sports. These are actually the all-season tires, so I think if we would have had the Sport right here and had that in red, but other than that, like the whole black on white look, I went back and watched the footage and that looks super clean. And like I mentioned, this came from TireStickers.com. It was like 150 bucks. I did 1-inch lettering. Yeah, and you know, if you want to see how it's going to look on your car, I think it's like $3, and they'll do a digital. They'll send you a digital image of your tire and your car and how it'll look on your car. So 150 bucks, had it shipped out from California, sent to my house. Super simple install. The only problem I had was, you know, the letters that was sticking to the plastic. Then I had to go back and peel the plastic off individually. But other than that, I think they turned out freaking fantastic. You know, of course, having the white car with the black wheel just makes it look even better. So make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and you hit that notification button. When I say there are a lot of things coming, I mean, as you guys seen, I have a PRL box sitting right here. I have some mods that I need to do with my car and I haven't done it yet. I just haven't had enough time and I need a hand with that install. So make sure you guys are subscribed, you got your notifications on. There are a lot of modifications that are coming from this car, and then within the next month or two, this car is gonna be changed, you know, 180 degrees on the way, you know, it looks. Should say stance, power, etc., you name it. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please leave it a like. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Okay, it's Rat Pack to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'.